guys, it's been a while since I last filmed a video, but today I did a get ready with me recreating this look I found on Instagram by Makeup by Alina. So if you guys would like to see how I did this, please keep on watching. In the winter, my face is normally dry, so I'm starting off with moisturizing my face with a facial oil. Next, I'm going straight to the eyes, and I'm using the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil in the red shade, and I'm putting that in my crease. I built up and blended the eyeshadows as much as I could, and then I went into the Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette and used the shade Create to intensify the red in my crease. I've been thinking about forever. To darken up the crease a little bit more, I used Passion, and I also put that in my crease but a little bit lower than the rest of the eyeshadows. A tip for this look is to blend every eyeshadow as you apply it, because the blending will look a lot more seamless and it'll be a lot easier as you go on. And for the very top of your eyeshadow, use a clean brush to blend it out so you won't apply any more eyeshadow higher up or any eyeshadow you don't want to add. I'm using a shade called Muse, which is just a black, and I'm using that a little bit under the crease to intensify and smoke out the look a little bit. To cut my crease, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape, and since I have hooded lids with excess skin, I'm applying a little concealer, and then I'm looking up to see how far up I need to go to be able to see the cut crease even when I'm looking straight. I'm first creating a half moon shape and then flicking the ends to create almost a cat eye effect. Do you not think so far ahead, baby? Now I've been thinking about forever. To add more dimension to the cut crease, I'm applying more of the black eyeshadow with a thinner, precise brush. How could I forget how you feel? And although you were my first time, a new feel. It won't ever get old, not in my soul, not in my spirit. I applied another layer of concealer to create a nice opaque base for our next eyeshadow. On top of the concealer, I'm applying the shade Color on my eyelid. To apply the shadow, I used a packed brush and wet it with Max Fix Plus to get as much pigment as possible, but you can also use your finger or wet your brush with a setting spray. Do you not think so far ahead? I've been thinking about forever. Yeah. Next, I'm lining my cut crease with the Too Faced glitter glue and a gold glitter on top. Apply the glue only in the area you want the glitter to be, but if you do go outside the line a little bit, it's okay. You can use a clean brush to gently rub and flick off some glitter. However, I highly recommend only applying the glitter in the area you want it to be, because if you do mess up, it is a little bit hard to get glitter off of your face. I did get a little bit messy, so I'm cleaning the eye look up with a makeup wipe and then moving on to the face. To prep my face for foundation, I'm using Max Fix Plus, and then I adjusted my brows to make them neater and darker to fit the look. For foundation, I'm using Giorgio Armani's High Coverage Foundation, and then I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation Stick in Coconut to contour. To conceal and highlight my face, I used Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And then I'm going to set everything on my face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm doing a wing liner with Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner in Trooper. I didn't make the wing too thick because the eye look is already so dramatic. I mainly used the eyeliner to top off the eye look and to clean it up and make it a little bit more crisp. Still, do you not think so far ahead? To finish off the eyeshadow, I used the same red colors I used up top to bottom of my lashes, and then I applied fake lashes and used the Voluminous Million Lashes mascara. I lined my lips with a NYX lip pencil in nude pink and topped it off with Kylie's liquid lipstick in Exposed. I set my face with MAC's Fix Plus and then used the Makeup Revolution highlighter in Gold Addict on top to make it pop more.
How you feel. And although you were my first time.
So that is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and please connect with me on all my social medias.
My spirit keep it alive. We'll go down this road till it turns from color to black and white. Do you not think so far ahead? I've been thinking about forever.